Welcome to Craft today, and here we're going to create Alfred Hitchcock in Infinite Craft. First up, combine two water elements to get a lake, then mix two fire elements to create a volcano, which mixed with the lake creates an island, combine it with earth to get a continent, then mix fire with water to get steam, which mixed with continent gets a train, which mixed with continent again creates transcontinental railroad, then combine continent with lake to get America. Next, we're going to mix steam and water together to get cloud, which mixed with America gets us eagle, which mixed with lake creates seagull. And for the final step, mix transcontinental railroad with seagull to get Alfred Hitchcock. That's how you create Alfred Hitchcock in Infinite Craft. Hope you like this video. Thanks for tuning in. I'll see you in the next one, and subscribe to the channel for more Infinite Craft videos.